Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make chocolate kiss cookies. These cookies are a classic. It's a chocolate crinkle cookie that's rolled in powdered sugar, and then it has a little Hershey's Kiss placed on top. It is so good. To start, you'll need 12 tablespoons of softened salted butter, and place that into the bowl of a stand mixer. You'll also need 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and you want to cream this together. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can also use a hand mixer for this as well. Once that's all creamed together, add in 4 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and mix this in until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna whisk together our dry ingredients. You'll need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder, a tablespoon of baking powder, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk this together. We're gonna gradually add this to our wet ingredients. And I like to add about 1/3 of the mixture at a time and mix it in between additions. You should end up with a very wet dough that sticks to the sides. I'm gonna lay out some plastic wrap and use a rubber spatula. Scrape my dough out right onto that plastic wrap. Then I'm gonna wrap it up tightly in the plastic wrap and pop it in the fridge. Let your dough chill in the fridge for 4 hours, or you can even do it overnight. After that amount of time, you should have a dough that has thickened up quite a bit. And you can unwrap it, and we're gonna scoop off about 1.5 tablespoons size pieces of dough and roll them into balls. Then you'll roll each little ball in powdered sugar to coat. Then place each one onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Then we're gonna bake these in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Now while those are baking, you'll want to unwrap a whole bunch of Hershey Kisses to place on top. Then you'll pull those cookies out of the oven, set them down on a cooling rack, and then place a Hershey Kiss right gently on top and press it down for each one. Allow the cookies to cool completely on the baking sheet before you try and remove them. Then you're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.